I'm Diego Gomez with Worth Avenue Yachts. I'm here aboard Bravissimo, this timeless classic Riva 60 Corsaro. I'm here in Seattle, Washington. This boat is for sale, and I think you're gonna really enjoy this walkthrough tour. If you're looking for something really unique and special, a conversation piece, join me aboard. A time capsule with modern updates and built to a level of craftsmanship and design when money was no object, and by a builder whose boats are at times mistaken for jewelry. Bravissimo is unmatched in the market today with an extensive $300,000 plus refit in 2005 and subsequent $150,000 refit over recent years. Her distinct design is eye-catching when seen underway or at the dock, but her interior is the real work of art. A 60-foot motor yacht capable of fast cruising with 2 equivalently comfortable owner's suites, a 3rd stateroom, and even crew accommodation is unheard of these days. Her engines have just received extensive servicing following a 900-mile trip up the Pacific coast from San Francisco, and a full mechanical survey is available upon request. If you're in search of a remarkable yacht, a conversation piece, a work of art at a fantastic price, your viewing and inspection is encouraged. Truly, the heart of the Riva design, the sunken salon is a tasteful step back into the glamour days of mid-century Riva design. Surrounded by stainless steel framed glass windows creating an atrium effect, privacy is created by lowering the salon a few steps from the aft deck. As you would expect, the helm area continues with the minimalist style. A gorgeous gauge cluster in front of the Riva classic modernist wooden wheel. Bow and stern thrusters are at your left hand, and upgraded electronic ZF Micro Commander controls are at your right hand. At 60 feet, Bravissimo is a perfect size for owner-operators, and with the helm area location so close to the salon, it makes for a wonderfully social boat to operate while underway. Bravissimo's galley is small and simple, but nicely upgraded with newer refrigerator and high-end Miele appliances. It provides just enough space to prepare delicious meals aboard. The original drop-in refrigerator is disabled, but provides wonderful deep storage. The galley packs a bigger punch than you'd expect. Continuing forward along the curved walkway, you reach a stunning circular foyer. Bathed in light coming through the overhead windshield, you are met with 3 doorways, one to the forward owner's cabin, another to the twin guest cabin, and a third to the dayhead. This owner's cabin doesn't feel like a bow cabin. Ample space to walk around the large queen-size berth, substantial his and hers hanging locker space, paired with upholstered built-in drawers, and a large ensuite head with a separate shower make this one of 2 owner's cabins aboard. The twin stateroom offers 2 small but comfortable berths, ideal for kids of any age. The upper berth is a Pullman berth, which can actually be raised out of the way if there's only one guest occupying the stateroom, giving more headroom and a more open feel. A private entrance to the aft owner's stateroom is located at the aft end of the salon, just next to the main entry door. This is a wonderful private space that is well separated from the rest of your guests. Encompassing the full beam of the boat, the full walk-around queen berth and expansive built-ins make for a comfortable cabin for extended cruising. You'll have a hard time making a choice between the 2 owners' cabins. The aft deck of Bravissimo is a spectacular place to be and be seen. New teak decks were laid during her major refit and are in excellent condition today. Built-in bench seats along the transom and movable deck chairs make for fun social areas in the cockpit, and when you pop open the transom umbrellas, you might as well feel like a movie star. From a practical perspective, the bridge deck overhang provides wonderful sun protection for the glass doors, keeping the interior salon cool without blocking light. The upper helm has all the necessary equipment to operate the yacht from, with its dedicated chart plotter, engine gauges, autopilot, and VHF. While it's unlikely that you plan to have crew aboard a yacht of this size, there's actually an air-conditioned V-berth cabin with a dedicated head that gives you the option to do so, or provides a fun kids cabin, or of course, wonderful storage space as it's currently set up for today. This is a surprising use of space on a 60-foot yacht, but it makes you wonder why others don't have it. The engine room aboard Bravissimo has seen constant attention paid to maintenance, upgrades, and cosmetics. Her twin Detroit diesel 8B92s were equipped with a JT Performance tune-up and were completely overhauled in 2005 during her refit, and under the eye of the same mechanic since her current owner purchased her in 2010, she's been serviced proactively, and in advance of her sale, has just completed a full engine and generator service, intercooler service, turbocharger rebuilds, and a re-welded starboard exhaust, as well as a thorough detailing and repaint of the engine room. Having just completed a 900 nautical mile trip from San Francisco to Seattle on her own bottom, along with an engine survey performed in August of 2022, you can be assured that her machinery is ready for her next owners to enjoy reliably. Thanks for joining me aboard the tour of this classic Riva 60 Corsaro Bravissimo, listed here for sale with Worth Avenue Yachts in Seattle. I hope you enjoyed the boat tour. She's really a special yacht and will provide her next owners with a lot of enjoyment and a lot of eye catches at every marina you go to. Thanks again for joining, and please contact me with any questions.